again our great man in Rian Fernandez collection, the Marines. Iligan City. South Cotabato. Lanao del Norte. Sablan Benguet. KSA Filipino Community. Santa Rosa Laguna. Bukay Isamis Oriental. Leyte Province. Puro. And Tacloban City. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome once again our top 11 finalists.
What happened?
Mr. Paeve Laguna is our Social Media Award winner. To be awarded by Wise Estabilo. May we request Mr. Paeve Laguna to claim his award. Congratulations, because you are a part of our top 11. And now, let's proceed to our top 10 speech competition. At this moment, we will be presenting a video question to our top 11 brave men. Each finalist will be given 60 seconds to prepare their speech. Good luck, and your time starts now. Your question is, as a great man, how can you be a man and a gentleman despite all the negative things happening around the universe? Let's start with
Iligan.
Iligan City.
Oh, matalino yan. Buhay 18 yan.
As a person and a human being, it is normal that we are experiencing a lot of trials and circumstances in life, especially in those natural phenomena. All I can say is, as a great man, what can I do is to spread the strength that I have and to tell to the people that we should be strong. Because as I said, as a great man, we are entitled to strengthen the concrete of our empire, the empire that protects our loved ones and our family. And because of that, it will surely lead us to a sweet victory. Thank you.
South Cotabato.
To be a man is to be able to show courage, and to be a gentleman is to be able to show compassion. But to be a great man, you must be able to display both. In a world where norms seem to be destroying our earth, nature, and civilization, in a world where everyone seems to forget how it means to care for each other, we need someone who is brave enough to stand up and challenge these norms. Someone who has a big heart, not only for the current generation, but for the future generations to come. There's greatness in all of us. And just remember, as we continue to be brave, never forget to be kind. Because it is in courage and compassion that we continue to be great. Thank you.
The Cowboy Warfare.
Go, Malik.
Go, AJ!
With all the negativity that are happening around the world, as a licensed teacher, a great man for me is someone who can spark hope and inspire others within his community. Someone who can raise his torch high up so that he can shed light on the lives of others, especially the ones who are troubled. I am ready to spread hope. I am ready to make a difference in the lives of others. I am a man, a gentleman, and I am your great man.
Sobrang Miguel.
Gagaling nila. Iba talaga pag Mindanao, no?
In this time and age where environmental degradation is rampant to the life of other creatures, I can be a great man and a gentleman by simply championing the environmental and protection of our rainforests, because every change starts within ourselves. And King Arthur once said that everyone can be great because everyone can have the heart to serve. That's all. Thank you.
KSA Filipino Community.
I grew up in a very unfortunate way, seeing my parents struggling every single day for us to be able to eat at most 3 times a day. But we are a dreamer. We are a fighter. Despite all the negative things happening in our universe, if we will just work together, if we will just dream together, I believe there is still hope. As great man, as gentleman and a man of the universe, I will use my voice to encourage, to influence. Ladies and gentlemen, judges, to everyone who is watching right now, if we work together, we can fight no matter what may come. Because together, we stand, divided, we fall. This is Aaron Reyes, your great man of the universe, Saudi Arabia Filipino community. God bless us all.
Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Being a great man, a man and a gentleman, is being a dedicated man. To unfold integrity and fulfill my responsibilities will always be my top priorities. I am Rismal Cabigaw, your great man of the universe 2022.
Ryan Isamis Oriental.
Good evening, everyone. As a great man, I can be a man and a gentleman by being a disciplined and respectful individual. To everyone, to our culture, and to our nature. Because I do believe that if I can fulfill this, I could become a good example to everyone and most especially to our young ones. In this way, we could make our world a better place. Hindi man ngayon, hindi pa ngayon, pero malapit na po. Maraming salamat, mabuhay po tayong mga Pilipino.
Luzon Province.
Good day, everyone. A man and a gentleman. A man is someone who's capable of making moral choices. Being great doesn't define man. And being man doesn't define great, but with gentlemen. And my dream right now is here. Great man of the universe. And I want to tell to the youth that I want to inspire them and be themselves in their own ways. And with my perseverance to become a certified public accountant, I can be able to give justice to the imbalance and create the world where the youth can possibly change for the better. Thank you so much.
Go Eric song by Jeff.
Being a gentleman means more than just thinking about yourself. Being a gentleman is putting people's feelings and people's thoughts above your own. Okay? When I went to church here in the Philippines, my priest would say, feels more, gets more, going more, which means go out and do what he is preaching to you. And that is what I plan to do. I plan to preach to the world and not only use my words to make a change, but also initiate the actions that need to be done in order to make these changes in the world. The changes that this world desperately needs. Thank you. This is Bohol, your great man of the universe, 2022.
Tacloban City.
Seeing those clips, as a man and a gentleman, I understand my responsibility to myself, to my family, to the environment. However, I also understand that there is no man who can turn those negativities but God Himself. With great prayers, with understanding that, with great prayers and self-awareness, I think that it can make a better way to bring back the natural beauty of the universe. Thank you so much.
And finally, our social media winner, Paete Laguna.
Sa nararanasan natin ng climate change ngayon, lubha akong nalulungkot dahil lahat tayo nakapektuhan. Ngunit, sa lahat ng kabaratang ito ay kailangan natin baguhin ang ating sarili sa pamamagitan ng reduce, reuse, recycle. Sa simpleng mga word na yun ay maraming tulong na may tutulong sa ating mundo. Kaya nililiwala ako sa kasabihan na kailangan natin ng kalikasan, ngunit hindi tayo kailangan ng kalikasan. Thank you.
Alright, there you have it, our top 11 for their speech competition. And now, may we request our worthy great man to come back on stage. Once again, may we request our worthy great 2022. Serving us tonight, singing Can't Help Falling in Love, we have Vince Conrad.